Hi lovelies, you're all welcome to Delicious Kitchen. I'm sharing this simple, moist, tasty, delicious hair fried fish. This is super juicy and you will love it. Let's get it started. That is my well-washed tilapia fish. I've added black pepper to it now and chili flakes. Of course, it has to be spicy. That is optional. And I will be using seasoning. Yes, seasoning. I'm going to add oregano into this. Oregano is optional, no problem. Now time to add salt. Sprinkle some salt all over it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and follow. So let's continue. I'll be adding some paprika powder. It's going to give it yummy color. And I'll be using olive oil. Feel free to use vegetable oil. There is no problem. Just a bit of oil into it. Now marinate the fish with all those ingredients we added into it. Take your time to do this. It is your fish. Rub it in and out of the fish. All right, let it be well marinated. Look at it. It's now time to cover it and just allow it to marinate for 30 minutes or more. Don't forget to refrigerate it if you're leaving it longer. So now what I have here is all-purpose flour. I added some black pepper into it, ginger, salt, and I mixed everything together. Lovely. Now bring out the well-marinated fish and coat it with this flour. Remember, we added some herbs into this flour. So coat it front and back. That is the left side and the right side of the fish. Coat it well with this flour. So it's now time to get your hair fryer. Bring out your hair fryer, cream it with some vegetable oil or olive oil or butter. Let it be well creamed, and now arrange those well marinated and well coated fish into your hair fryer. Remember to give this video a like. Thank you. Now put it into your air fryer under 180 centigrade. Air fry for 16 minutes. After 8 minutes, please stop it, bring it out and flip. Be gentle with it. It is even going to be perfect. Just turn it over, put it back, let it continue air frying for the rest 8 minutes. If you want it browner, you can leave it for 2 minutes more. This is what you're going to have. Lovely. This is a must try for everyone. It is super juicy. It is moist inside. Outside, it's so perfect. I love it. Let me show you how it looks inside there. Can you see? Super juicy. Thanks for watching.